Tired of wondering if you're making the right choice between gas and hybrid? The 2026 Corolla Cross dilemma is real. Spend more now for the hybrid or save up front with the gas model. We've done the deep dive into real-world fuel economy and the overall ownership experience to solve your dilemma once and for all. Hey everyone, welcome to AeroNext Auto. I'm your host, and today we're breaking down the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross, gas versus hybrid. This subcompact SUV got a fresh update for 2026 with sharper styling, a more modern interior, and some solid improvements that make it even more appealing in a crowded segment. Let's start with the basics. Both versions share a lot. They're built in the USA now, in Huntsville, Alabama, which is a big plus for reliability and parts availability. They offer roomy cabins for 5, decent cargo space, Toyota's legendary safety suite with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 standard, and that smooth ride Toyota is known for. The big differences come down to powertrain, efficiency, and yes, price. On the gas side, you get a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine making 169 horsepower and 151 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a CVT, and you can choose front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. Fuel economy is solid. EPA estimates around 31 city, 33 highway, 32 combined for FWD models, dropping a bit to 29, 31, 30 for AWD. Real-world driving often hits close to those numbers, especially on highways. Now the hybrid steps it up. It uses a 2.0-liter plus electric motors for a combined 196 horsepower. That's a noticeable 27 HP advantage. All hybrids come standard with electronic on-demand AWD, which gives you better traction without a huge efficiency penalty. And the real star, fuel economy. Toyota estimates 45 city, 38 highway, 42 combined MPG. In real-world tests, owners and reviewers are seeing 40 to 44 MPG regularly, even in mixed driving. That's a massive jump over the gas version. Pricing is where it gets interesting. In the U.S. market, the 2026 Corolla Cross gas models start around $24,635 for the base L trim, climbing to about $31,000 to $32,000 for higher trims like the XLE with AWD. The hybrid starts higher, at around $28,995 for the entry S trim, going up to the mid-$30,000s for SE or XSE grades. So the price difference? Typically $4,000 to $5,000 more for the hybrid, depending on the exact trims you're comparing. Note, if you're matching apples to apples, the gap shrinks since AWD is optional on gas but standard on hybrid, often just $1,300 extra on gas. In Canada, expect similar gaps, but in CAD. Gas models start around $28,800 to $29,000, while hybrids begin in the $36,000 to $39,000 for comparable trims, plus destination fees. So, is that extra upfront cost justified? It depends on your driving habits. If you rack up average miles, say 12,000 to 15,000 miles per year, and gas prices stay around $3 to $4 per gallon, the hybrid can pay for itself in fuel savings over time. You're looking at roughly $500 to $700 less per year in fuel costs compared to an AWD gas model. At higher mileage or with pricier gas, the break-even point comes faster, often in 5 to 7 years. Plus, the hybrid feels peppier off the line, thanks to instant electric torque. It's quieter in electric mode for city driving, and you get standard AWD without extra cost. On the flip side, if you drive low miles, mostly highways, or plan to sell in a few years, the gas version saves you money up front and still delivers good efficiency. Maintenance is similar. Toyota hybrids are super reliable, but the hybrid has a bit more complexity with the battery, covered under an 8 to 10-year warranty. Both are winners in reliability, resale value, and everyday usability. The 2026 refresh adds a bigger available touchscreen, better console storage, and stylish updates like new grills and wheel options. Bottom line, if fuel savings, smoother power delivery, and all-weather confidence matter to you, the hybrid's price difference is absolutely justified. It's one of the most efficient subcompact crossovers out there. But if you're budget-focused short-term, the gas version is no slouch and keeps more cash in your pocket now. What do you think? Hybrid or gas for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe to AeroNext Auto for more honest car comparisons and reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.